of just one change to your morning could unlock the power to manifest your deeper desires, reverse aging, and elevate your consciousness. This is not just wellness advice. It's an ancient sacred science from Sanatana Hindu Dharma, now revived by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Sri Nithyananda Paramashivam. And now science confirms it too. 92% of highly successful people have been found to follow a structured morning routine. And many studies link early rising to better mental health, longevity, and higher productivity. But this is just as much as science is able to grasp as of now. But in Sanatana Hindu Dharma, we already knew the most powerful time of the day, what Swamiji reveals as the Brahma Muhurta, which in any time zone is 1.5 hours before the sun rises. At this period of time, when you've just come out of the sleep and reached into the waking, your inner space is fluid, like molten gold. Your thoughts, intentions, and spiritual practices at this time directly shape your reality. In this space, the intention you hold, the actions you do, can manifest health, wealth, and so much more. Swamiji says, sleeping during the Brahma Muhurta is wasting your life. By waking up at this time and integrating powerful practices like yoga, puja, kirtans, satsang, you detox your body, awaken the Kundalini Shakti, and synchronize with the cosmic rhythm. This leads to anti-aging, bliss, and spiritual breakthroughs. Don't let this sacred time slip away. Decide from today. You will awaken during the Brahma Muhurta time, and you will awaken to your highest self.
The disturbance happened to your biological clock. Repairing that is the first and foremost. When you are not supposed to sleep, you can't wake up. When you are supposed to sleep, you can't fall asleep. Night till 3 o'clock, sleep is not coming. Morning till 11 o'clock, not able to get out of bed. And whole day tired. Do something seriously about it. Morning routine is to repair your biological clock. Clean yourself and tune yourself to the Dharma. Aligning your biological clock to the nature. Your biorhythm with the natural rhythm is the most graceful, beautiful. You develop an amazing body which you will enjoy to be in. Body with which you are happy to live in. Body in which you celebrate you. Body in which you celebrate you is beauty. Understand?
There is a beautiful Leela from the life of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. From a very young age, Swamiji was trained with an intense morning routine by his gurus, especially Raghupati Yogi. Every single morning, even in the coldest month of Margazhi, Raghupati Yogi would wake Swamiji up early in the morning and take him to the temple for yoga. The water used in the temple tank for bathing would be freezing cold, but Raghupati Yogi would just point at an area of water and it would be warm just for Swamiji. Swamiji would then start the day with Surya Namaskars, sometimes even from the sunrise to sunset, up to 11 hours a day. Even though Swamiji would come back home in pain sometimes, his mother next morning would wake him up, come and lovingly say, "Wake up, Tata has come, let's go drink coffee." His guru would hold his hand and walk the streets of Tiruvannamalai early in the morning, protecting Swamiji from the stray dogs. On days when Swamiji was angry, he would not give his hand to his guru because he had to get up in the morning. But still, Raghupati Yogi would walk behind, watching over him. Even in their old ages, his gurus like Kuppamal would climb the Arunachala hill with a walking stick to gather the herbs to make the aushadas needed to detoxify Swamiji's body. Bleeding feet, torn injuries, nothing would stop her. Swamiji says, they poured their whole life into me. That is why Swamiji says, the routine set by the Guru is the greatest thing you can do to achieve your ultimate.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with friends and family who will enjoy this too, subscribe for more videos like this, and to see a real transformation even to the subtlest part of your routine, come and join the Paramashiva Sena program.